How to easily connect MT4 or MT5 to TradingView. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to link your MT4 or MT5 trading account with TradingView using your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to log into your TradingView account, and then you're going to click on Trading Panel over here. Now, within this list, you'll be able to see that there are all kinds of trusted brokers. Even if you click on all brokers, you wouldn't be able to find MT4 or MT5. So basically, to work around this, what you're going to do is that you're going to select Open Account and choose a broker that offers TradingView integration. So sign up with the broker and then link your MT4 or MT5 account through their platform connection options. Once your account is connected, you can place trades directly through TradingView while still utilizing MT4 or MT5 for expert advisors and other automation features. So this setup gives you the best of both worlds: MetaTrader's automation capabilities and TradingView's advanced charting. So although MetaTrader isn't directly integrated with TradingView, using a supported broker lets you take advantage of TradingView's powerful trading tools. So that's it for today's video. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.